Of a plant which bear leaves, branches, buds, and flowers.
Okay, okay. Did we write the functions of the stem?
No, ma'am, we have not.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, we have done is the major part of the plant which
Okay,
bear
that much
leaves.
only we have learned. Okay, good.
Ma'am, functions of the root.
Okay, so it is the major part. Now we are moving on to the functions of the stem. Okay.
Stem.
Yes, functions of the stem. So you can see the functions of the stem. First function, the stem keeps the plant upright. Plant upright means you see it. Whenever the breeze comes, the plants are not falling, or the plants may not fall because of the presence of strong stem. Okay. So the first unit means making the plants to stand for long time. And you see that whenever the stem is not healthy, naturally what will happen during the breeze or wind blows strongly or faster, the stem will slant. Okay, so the function of the first function is stem keeps the plant upright. And second function, we have already written what is the main function, that is it bears. It bears branches, leaves, flowers, seeds, buds, fruits, etc. So this is the second one, second function. First function, it is keep upright, and second function, the stem bears branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Who is this PPPP? Can you change your profile, please?
Ma'am, as last class I wrote the definition of function of
Okay, after this. Here, someone is with the PPP. Who is that? Can you put your name as this thing? Profile. Shahad, Anna, Ivy, Nishal. Okay. Okay. I hope how many students present? Only 28.
I'm 28.
Okay. Yes. So next one, this is the second function. What is the main function of the stem? Mainly, it transports water, minerals, and food to all parts of the plant. Okay. The root will absorb the water and minerals, and it have to reach to the leaves. So how it will reach from the root? It will transport to the stem, and the stem will carry the water, minerals, and food to all parts of the plant. So that is the third function of the stem, and it is the main function. Okay, water, minerals, and parts of the plant. Even the stem is falling down because of the breeze, then also plant will live. Correct? It will not die that much until the root comes out. Until the root comes out, even the mango tree which is slanting due to the heavy breeze or storm, it will still grow, but provided the root should be anchored to the ground. Okay, so even these things is not there, stem keeps the plant upright, that function is not there, then also main function what? Water, minerals, and food. Suppose if the stem is decaying naturally, the plant also will die. Okay.
Finish, ma'am.
Can I change the slide now?
No,
ma'am.
Okay. Continue. No problem. I am
No.
waiting for you. Okay.
Finish, ma'am.
challenge है जो finished.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, children, shall we change now?
Yes, ma'am. You
Yes.
can change.
Now
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
moving on to the next part, modification of the stem. So similarly, root also has a modification, and see, sometimes our stem also modified for particular function. That is what you see. The thread-like structures on the stems are called stem tendrils. Sometimes the stem will be changed in the form of stem tendrils. Stem tendrils means, have you seen this picture on this? Some of the plant you can see this type of a small
Yes,
white-
ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have.
It's like a thread.
Ma'am, can you admit Jalen Elizabeth?
I have admitted everyone. So if they are not able to enter, maybe some network issue. Okay, admitted. See, they will come. They will join slowly. So you see, some of the stem you can see this type of structure, and some of the stem also we will see like cactus and all. Cactus and all also you will see some of them. The stem itself is forming another form. Okay, so that is what we call the modification. So according to certain functions in some of the plants, the stem also will form different one. So the first thing, stem turn into stem tendrils. This type of a narrow structure. Some plants and flowers you will see narrow structure coming out from the stem. That is we call stem tendrils. And also stems are modified to give support, like garlic and ginger. You see garlic, ginger, onion, all these are actually the stems. Sugarcane also the stem. We are having the food from the stem, and the ginger is a stem, and we are using that ginger to as a spice for medicines, and also for medicines. And even turmeric also is a modification of the stem. And you can also see the ground nuts. The second picture what we are showing, the ground nuts. So ground nuts actually growing from the stems. So these all are the modification. Stems are modified to store food. Third one, so example ginger, potato, garlic, groundnut, all that. Okay. And last one, stems are modified to make food. For cactus, there are no leaves. They have only thorns and the stem. The thorns are the spines. Already we told. The leaves are turning into spines. So the stem are mainly used for storing the food. So these are the 4 type of modification of the stem. First, it turn into stem tendrils. Second, modified to give support. Third, modified to store food. And next, modified to make food, cactus. And we can also write sugarcane. For example for this, make food. Stems are modified to make food. You can also write another example, sugarcane. Those who want to write this one, modified to store the food, you can also write ginger, potato. Apart from this, you can write turmeric. For the third one, you can.
We should write this.
Yeah, for your knowledge, you can write turmeric, garlic. This is an example for third point. And the last one, cactus. And you can also write cane. Bamboo tree also they know. Bamboo trees also, the stem is very strong. They can use to make food. It has leaves, but still it will also store some food. Okay.
I'm not finished, ma'am.
No. I think Romal is completed the seminar, correct? Romal completed.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
Rutul, Parvati. Parvati Sudhindran is here.
Yes, ma'am. She is there. Finish, ma'am.
Parvati. Narendran. Narendran, are you hearing me? Narendran K.
Yes, ma'am.
What about your seminar, Narendran? The seminar is pending. What happened?
Ma'am.
When
I prepared the seminar, but I don't know how to. My father also don't know how to screen this share.
Okay, do one thing. Do one thing. You ask one of
Prepare
your.
the PDF also.
Do one thing, Narendran. I'll tell you one thing. Yeah. Who else? Anubama.
Yes, ma'am.
Narendran, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you send your PPT to Anubama? So Anubama will share for you. You can just present your seminar. According to that, she will change the slide.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Anubama, please send him personally the number in the chat box. So the
Ma'am, he have my number.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Do one thing. You send your PPT to Anubama. And
okay,
next Monday, when your next class, I think on Monday, she will share for you. You have to just present your seminar by looking at it. Hello, who is speaking? Divyansh, what happened, Divyansh? Why are you speaking? What's the problem, Divyansh? Yeah. So already we completed the STEM. I hope everyone has completed this. Now we are. Who is that?
Jelin.
Jelin. Click the photo, Jelin. Okay. Already time. Everyone completed, no? Okay. Now I just want to ask you.
I didn't take it.
Okay. Fine. Turmeric, garlic, and all examples of this stems are modified to store food. Clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next, I am moving on to the next part, flower. So I have told some of you to bring the sugar. I mean, it is the hibiscus flower. Anyone has brought it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1 minute. Those who have brought the hibiscus, show the hibiscus in your hand. Okay. Okay, who else? Who else brought? Amna, okay. Amna, where are you? She went to pluck, I think.
We went to take it.
Okay, want to take it. Okay, children. So we are now moving on to, so you can wait over there. So first I will give an introduction, then we move on to that. So everyone please write the heading flowers. So what is flower? Flower is the most beautiful and colorful part of a flowering plant. It is a reproductive part of a plant. So
we have to write this?
Only this part you write. Don't write everything. Okay, I'll tell you what to write. You only have to write this one. Flower. Give the heading flower. What is flower? How do you define the word flower? You can define so many things, no? So many adverb adjectives you can give. It's a beautiful, it has got a very beautiful phrase.
Different sizes and shapes.
Different signs, different texture, and some are like a shrub or like so many petals. Some are less petal, some are having one petal, like anthurium and all having one petal. So like that we can talk about a lot, volumes and volumes about the flower. But what is the main part of flower? What's the function of the flower? It is giving a soothing effect on our eyes. Good. And we also use for pujas in the churches and in the mosque, and we use the flowers. I don't know, in the mosque they will use, but in the church and temples we will use the flowers and all. Okay. Onam, Vishu, death, wedding, birth, okay, delivery, baptism. So many things are there, no? For everything you use the flowers. Without that we cannot. Clear? So what is actually these flowers? It is the reproductive part of a plant. Reproductive part of a plant means producing another plant. The flower actually is the main organ to produce someone. Like you, your mother, you came from mother's stomach. Do you agree, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you came out from mother's stomach. So stomach is a part of a reproductive. Actually, that is not a reproductive organ, but still you were nicely sitting and sleeping and moving, and sometimes you kick your mother also. Ask your mother how naughty you are there. Okay, when you come to 9 months, 8 months, you are fully grown up in mother's stomach, and mother must have felt that you are kicking, you are beating, you are, because you want to come out. No, by 8, 9 the children.
Yes, ma'am.
Not only 9, by 5th, 6th month you will started doing so many circus inside the stomach of the mother, and that poor mother will experience a pain. Okay, and feel, oh, it's my baby. So mother will not say anything, you know, because the baby is moving in that, and she feel happy about it, no? So like that. So like that, the flower actually is just like that, making a new plant to come out of it. Okay, it is the reproductive part. And now we're coming. It's a beautiful flower, but in that beautiful flower, we have so many things inside. That is more difficult for us. A single flower has so many things. That is what we are going to study. Okay.
Should we draw this?
No need, no need. Maybe labeling can do. I think in your textbook, you can mark that. Page
Ma'am,
number.
in that center one thing is there, right?
Page number 61. Page number 61. You have a figure 7.22 and 7.24. These two figures you can tick, because that is for labeling the parts of the plant. Okay. So actually this is the inside part of the plant. Let us now first we see the outside part. That we will see from your friends. Okay. Helen, Amna, I spotlighted you, but I can't see you. She must have, are you having network issue, Amna? Okay. Okay. Okay, Helen. Okay. Helen, can you raise it up? Children, this is the outside part of a flower. So we will first see the easiest part. Okay. What you saw the picture, that is, I also have a flower inside. So I also have a hibiscus in this. Okay. Anyway, we will see what is Helen is having. So you can see, first we will see that beautiful red color part. And that part we call it as petals. Okay. The red color and broad parts of the flower, we call it as petals. Okay. Yes. Then, Helen, can you raise it up? No, that down part. We will come there later, down. Remove your hand. Okay. Now you can see there's a green part over there. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this green part, we call it as sepal. S-C-P-L. Sepal, you can say green part, which is not the stalk. I'm not talking about the flower stalk. We are talking, there are small openings like a specters here. Okay. So that is, we call it as a sepal. Okay. Helen, you can keep it down. I'll tell you. Then after that, you can write. So you can first write the parts of the plants. Okay,
Flower.
parts of a plant. Next heading, you can write it as a parts of a
Only
plant.
one sentence for flower.
Huh?
Only one sentence for flower.
Yeah. Parts of a plant. That's enough, children, because you have lot to know. Correct? Parts of, sorry, not a plant, sorry. Flower.
Flower.
Flower. Parts of a flower.
When sepal and petal we had studying fifth or fourth.
Yes, fifth also you study. Okay. The first part, so it's a revision for you, petals. The first part we call it petals. First part of the flower, we call it as a petals.
Petal.
What do you mean by petals?
Broad part.
No.
The colored part.
No. The prominent part of a flower. Prominent means very important part of a flower, which gives the beauty of the flower. The prominent part of a flower which gives color. So, who gives color? The petals. Which prominent part of a flower which give color? Which give color? That is known as petals. And different flowers have different petals and different colors. That you already know.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay.
And
Next.
sometimes the shapes are different of the petals.
Yes, yes. Shoe flower, we can see different type of shoe flower. There are 5 petal shoe flower. Now what Helen showed, that is where is the thing? 1 minute. The body is disappeared. Okay,
Shoe flower and
1 minute. That body is gone. I'll just open it. By mistake, shoe flower, the flower which Helen has, that is 5 petal flower. Okay, that is 5 petal flower. And we also have a shoe flower with thick petals. Have you seen? In Malayalam we call it
shoe flower and hibiscus the same, right?
Same. Shoe flower is our local name, what you call for it. Okay, what we call for it. Otherwise, in Malayalam. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, can I show one yellow color flower?
Yeah, we have so many colors. We'll only stick to one
Can
color. Okay.
When there are many colors of shoe.
Many color, not
Can I
only
show
yellow.
white and red color mixed flower is there?
Okay. Now, what do you mean by the sepal?
Ma'am, can you
Right, ma'am, petals definition, ma'am, I did not
last
And the part where the petals come. The opening of the petals.
No. It is not the opening of the petals are coming, but it is actually the sepals are a prominent part of a bud. Bud, before a flower to come into bloom, you will get a bud, and that bud will be opening, and then it will turn into flower. So sepals means it is
Covering of the bud.
It is the small leaf-like structure. Yes. Leaf-like structure on which the bud of a plant form. So once this bud is opening, it is coming to turning back.
Flower, right?
Yes. Bud means it is before it is blooming into flower, you will get the buds, like a shoe flower bud, rose buds. So this sepals actually is that one, where the leaf-like structure on which the bud of a plant form.
Ma'am, it is usually in green in color.
Green, yes, it is always will be green in color. Okay, now before winding up, we will see the next parts. Helen, can you raise it up? And now on the top part of it, raise it up. Can you see the long tail? That entire thing, we call it as stamen. S-T-A, that reddish color narrow thread. That we call it as a stamen. Okay? Yes. Okay, Helen, thank you. So,
Ma'am, in one red small flower, when I tear it, I get one small thing white
that
color.
we will learn the next class. We call them as pistil. That is what we call pistil. Okay. So, the narrow stamen we will discuss in the next class. So, I just want to show you that because now almost time up.
Ma'am, this is the bud.
Stamen is that. Helen, can you show once again what is stamen?
Ma'am, this is the bud of one flower, one type of flower.
1 minute. So this long thing, and on that there are so many parts are there that we will discuss in the next class. Okay. So this long narrow thread which is coming out of the flower, that is known as stamen. Okay. Okay. Okay, Helen. And someone, this one, yes. So this is Amna's hand is another flower, and this is bud. And Amna, show here this bud, down part of the bud in that. There is no sepals. Another one. You take the another one. In that, that is flower. You take that bunch of flowers. Yeah. Can you see that leaf stalk part, down part?
Yes, ma'am.
That is actually sepals. Okay. That is the sepals. Okay. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you very much. So I wind up the session now. So now today Amna, Romal, who else is